viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, guys. Hope everyone is doing good. I want to say big respect to my dear one subscriber. I want to welcome all the new person to my channel. Thank you for being a part of my channel, guys. I really appreciate the love and the support. So today I know it's another great video again, which me I do some carrot rice, some honey barbecue chicken wing, some mac and cheese, and some fried plantain, and just a little veg on the side. So I am going to walk you through how I do my stuff, which is the honey barbecue chicken wing and the carrot rice. Guys, so I clean up the chicken wing already. Wash off it with some vinegar. But you know, I'm showing you how me season the chicken wing. So I have the chicken wing, and for seasoning I use 2 tablespoons of all-purpose season, some green thyme, some ginger, 3 stalks of scallion, some green pepper, some pimento seed, 1 chop up onion, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of barbecue spice, and some paprika for seasoning. Yeah, finish up my red stripe. I add in my herbs and my spice. I add in the thyme, the ginger, scallion, some green pepper, the onion, garlic powder, barbecue spice, and some paprika, some pimento seed. Well, you know, we can't left out the Maggi all-purpose season. I rub in the season. I just marinate the chicken and wrap it and put it in the refrigerator. Guys, so I'm gonna make the egg wash for the barbecue chicken wing. And I use 1 egg. I will use some all-purpose season, some paprika to add in the flour, just rub them up in the flour. Guys, if you smell the oil with the scallion, because the scallion now enhance the flavor in the cooking oil. And just drop them in bit by bit, with small piece, because you don't really want to fill up the pot with too much of them. Add the last piece. And I took out the scallion finally, because you don't want it burn. The chicken them must fry. So, just a check on them and take out this set of chicken from out of the pot and add in the another set. So, chicken looking good, nice barbecue color. Now add in the last set now. Then after this now, I'm gonna make the sauce for them. So I do the macaroni and cheese inside. And I check on the second batch of chicken, but then fry, so I'm gonna take them out. I make the barbecue sauce. So I use some ketchup, some orange juice in mine barbecue sauce. I use some garlic, some scallion, green pepper, sweet pepper. I use 2 serving spoons of honey, and over here I have the barbecue sauce. Add the pepper, sweet pepper, and the scallion, and add the barbecue sauce, the ketchup, and then the honey. Add the orange juice. So guys, this are the barbecue sauce for the honey barbecue chicken wing. So I go add the chicken wing them in a it now. So I go show you now. I add the chicken wing them in the sauce now. Looking good. I'm gonna just give them a little turn, you know. Get some of the seed, the sauce. So I'm gonna turn them and then get the barbecue sauce all over them. Fire a little bit. So that's a hit for today. So this is my honey barbecue chicken wing. So now put on the water on the fire for the rice. So now add in some scallion, some thyme. I add quarter stick of butter. So I'm going to add in the carrot in the pot now. The carrot go and cook. So now use no more than that there. Yep. Add in the rice now. Wow, the carrot practically cooked. And dinner almost done now. Yep. Carrot look rich in the rice. go and check on the rice. Rice well shelly. So it's basically finished now. So guys, me done cooking now, but me just sit down. Reason we done a little bit. What's going on, guys? So the only thing me did have left to do is just the plant me did have to fry. So me just fry the plant inside because you know that are like 5 minutes. So, but it's a great Sunday afternoon. No rain and fall. So, but we're really glad because me get to actually do the content them outdoor. I know because I really love the outdoor cooking on the coal stove or the wood fire. You know, and it's a good feeling, you know, to share my life journey with a lot of people, even some person who are not Jamaican who like can see our Jamaican culture and embrace our culture and know that Jamaica is really a nice place. Guys, this is my honey barbecue chicken wing and my carrot rice, and I'm having it with some mac and cheese, fried plantain and some raw vegetable. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and also turn on the post notification bell so that when I upload a content you will be the first to get the content.